Good morning from 150 North Wacker. Built in 1970, and we are currently decommissioning the 29th floor on behalf of our client in an epic spot along the Chicago River, all where Chicago started. Right there. Wolf Point in 1820. First bridge to cross the Chicago River was right here. Great location. And beautiful furniture that will be resold at our showroom on Roosevelt and Cicero. Stop by and check us out sometime. Right about over there. Welcome back to the empty space. Guys really hit it out of the ballpark. Have a busy river today, as weekends always are here in the city. Nice to see the bridge up, and boom! Nice empty space. Lobby, kitchen's done. All up and out. Love this artwork. I wish I could take it home. Well, please keep us in mind on any decommissioning projects you may have, and we'll make it look like this. Time to go home. Enjoy your weekend.